But before we do, we ask for started. Thank you for coming tonight. If we can please take our seats and our places, and we will start our dress presentation dinner for this evening. Ka taki peke mo maupe ho mo mea anga. Koe amanaki ni ke kamata e tau polo kalama. I ask if we can have some quiet. Malo aupita. Whakatapu ki he awhio ai tau tahai otua o ku iho tau lotonga. I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land of the Darug Nation, Darug people, and I acknowledge the elders in the past, present and future. Toke o whakatapu ki he to ikalauni ki tonga tapu, pea mo whale o haamata pule. I'd like to acknowledge the committee of the New South Wales Tonga Netball Association. I'd like to acknowledge the coaches, the players, the families, and for those of you tuning online. On behalf of the President and the committee, we welcome you to the dinner tonight. Tali tali lelei ki mo tolu, o mo lawa mai he whiawhini, koe uhi, ko New South Wales Tonga Netball Association. We will start off with a prayer, and then we'll continue on with the formalities. So let us pray. Ke tau lotu. Sihova sa pautie, hau o ngahi hau. Mauhanga tu I he whiawhi whakakoloa ko eni, ke whai ai whakamalo mai whakawhita I ke awhiona, I he tauhi hau mai tauhi ofa, mawa o se ai he whiawhi whakakoloa ko eni. Lord, we gather here, and we gather in your name, and for that we are grateful. Lord, you knew this night would come long before we planned it. And we feel your presence here as we arrive one by one, the players, the families, the committee. But Lord, we ask tonight that we glorify your name and your name alone. Lord, we thank you for giving us Jesus, salvation and peace. We thank you for the beautiful talent that you've entrusted in our coaches, our players, our families and our community. We give thanks and praise, Lord, for the Tongan community who have gathered here tonight. And we thank you for the talents and the opportunity to glorify your name. But Lord, please forgive us if ever we boast in our own strength, Lord. Please forgive us if we take your glory and forget that you gave us the talents and the opportunities. Whakamole-mole I eiki ki mautolu, hangahi tono no o mawhai ki whamamahi I koe. I hātaimi o kai ki mawhakangongo pe whanongo ke laumali e maunioni. Please forgive us. We cast all of our anxieties onto you, Lord. Whether it's here tonight at our preparations or in future as we start our games, Lord, we cast all our burdens onto you. For you are mighty and your love endures forever. Lord, we ask that you continue to bless the New South Wales Tonga Netball Association as they continue to find opportunities for our girls, make connections in our community, Lord. We ask that you bless the coaches, their words, the tone of their voice, Lord. May it glorify your name. We bless, Lord, the players who will receive their dress tonight. And may they receive that, Lord, with a heart of humility and thanksgiving. And as we continue our night, Lord, may you watch over us in the conversations that we have with each other, in the way we encourage our community and our girls. And for those online, may they be kind as our program unfolds, Lord. We ask this in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Again, welcome to the dress presentation dinner hosted by the New South Wales Tonga Netball Association. We've got a live band here tonight. Our dance floor, please make use of it. But we have here tonight Till the Wheels Fall Off, who will be sharing beautiful music with us. We've got some guests, VIP guests here. We acknowledge we'll also have a panel, interviews. We've got so much tonight in regards to building the hype for the girls as they are here, as they gather for their dress presentation. Goia, DJ, tamai hafo I whasi, kai teo mai Till the Wheels Fall Off. We've got a live band here. Make use of the floor, please enjoy.
Ruina
So we will have our live band till the wheels fall off. They'll be playing in a moment. We've also got catering here tonight, Fat Charlotte Catering. So very grateful for Fat Charlotte Catering. We also have raffle tickets that are going for sale at the table at the back. Obia ngahi tiki te lu, ka pau o ke whatauha tiki te lu, koe po mai peke tau whanau o whatau ia i te kire koe. Again, we will have Till the Wheels Fall Off in a moment, and also we've got Fat Charlotte Catering who's coming around. Acknowledging the VIP guests who are here, we've got a lot planned for tonight. We've got many speakers, we've got a panel, an interview later on with a few of our favourite football players. But of course we are all here tonight for the presentation of the girls' dresses, and what an honour for the girls to be able to receive their Tongan dresses tonight. We are acknowledging New South Wales Tonga Netball Association as we are here tonight for our dress presentation. For those who are tuning in online, welcome to our dress presentation for the girls. We're looking forward to having the girls receive their dresses tonight, and there will also be an opportunity for the girls to share a dance at the end of the night as well. Again, we've got Till the Wheels Fall Off. That is our live band for tonight. So if you're feeling mawhana tonight, our dance floor is open. Again, if you are after some alcoholic beverage, that is BYO, by your own, but otherwise we've got water coming around as well. Maloa people.
Just want to. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Black Bear. We are Turtles for all. Hope you guys are having a good time so far. I can take it. I'm so lonely. Gee, I need you so. I can take it. Oh, I wonder why you had to go.
The way that you walk. we're going to keep the food formality happening right now. We're going to start off the VIP tables around here. The very important thank you, precious people. We love you. Thank you for your support. And we're going to go one by one table here. Don't worry. The chef has cooked 40 pigs ready for you tonight. So just eat what you can. Thank you.
this song, I give it to my man, you know, Lico over here. Beautiful, Lico.
Paula, Tonga Netball. Hey, hey. Ladies and gentlemen, how you all feeling? Money, you know in Tonga, once the stomach is full, everything is lovely. How's the catering doing? I want to see some money. All right. Thank you so much. In a very short minute, we're going to get the formality happening. You're probably wondering, what is this? What is this doing up here? It's something special. Someone who's very young representing the Kingdom of Tonga, representing Australia. Also a Commonwealth Game medalist holding records. So we'll get the formality happening and we'll be back shortly.
Song again if that's your song, but please take your seats if you're dancing. For those who are still lining up, we've got an interview coming up, so I'm going to invite, once you take your seats, and tonight is all about celebrating our Tongan connections, our Tongan athletes, and the girls who are here to receive their Tongan dress presentations. But otherwise, I'm going to invite Diamond Dongamoa and her coach, Yannick. So if you can please give a round of applause for Diamond and Yannick. And we're going to be doing a bit of a Q&A, so please enjoy your dinner as we continue to have a bit of a question and answer session with our beautiful Diamond and her coach here as well. So first of all, we are all here because we're proud Tongans, and that's my first question for Diamond. Where are you from in Tonga?
I'm from Kolomotua and Vaini.
Beautiful. Repping Kolomotua and Vaini. How about you, Yannick? You from Tonga too?
No.
All right, now it may be obvious to some, maybe not to others, but what sport do you play?
I do Olympic weightlifting.
Weightlifting. Oh, yeah, we've got a girl power weightlifter here on stage. And are there different kinds of weightlifting categories, or how does it all?
Yeah, so
explain yours.
I'm in the 71 kilo category, and it ranges from different categories. So yeah, it's pretty simple.
And you know, there's a certain stereotype for Tongan girls, and they play Tongan sports that might be modest or whatnot. But I love that you're breaking that stereotype. Was it a struggle to start? How did you get into weightlifting?
So my auntie, she was an ex-weightlifter, and she always was like very active, and I kind of like grew and was like around her. So I naturally just picked up the sport, and then she signed me up in a local gym, Strength Fitness, where I met my coach. And for like 5 years, I think I started in 2020, I've been doing non-stop weightlifting, so yeah.
Now girl, you look so young. How old are you? Are you still in school? Give us a bit of a picture or background. Weightlifting, I'm sure we're going to hear about the achievements and experiences around the world, but are you still in school? How old are you, and how does that impact your choice and sport?
So I'm 16, I'm turning 17 this year. I'm in year 11, and yeah, I'm almost finished with school, so I'm so excited about that.
Well, pas Mikey, this girl is still in high school and she's living her dream. And a quick question before I hand it over to Yannick. Have there ever been, still for you Diamond, have there ever been struggles or perspectives from whether it's community or whatnot in regards to the sport of weightlifting? Has anyone ever kind of laughed about it, or perhaps maybe not laughed and helped flex you? How has the attitudes around the sport of weightlifting hyped you up, or made you maybe more motivated, or perhaps just talking around the attitude of the sport in regards to energy from your family, from the community, and what keeps you going?
With weightlifting, there's not that much struggles. Like, it's a pretty small sport and no one really knows about it. So I guess like the people knowing about it, that's the only struggle. Like you said before, breaking stereotypes. I think like I'm the only Islander girl, Pacific Islander, that has ever attempted to weightlift. Like it's common, but not common in Australia. So like I think it's really good that, you know, Tongan, like I'm setting an example for the Tongan communities to get out there and lift and like try out new sports, so we can have like a very, you know, like more sports involved with the Tongan community. So yeah.
Thank you. And this question is for your coach. Can you talk about some of the achievements that Diamond has achieved, and or perhaps a bit about the journey as well?
Yes, so Diamond currently holds a few Australian records in the youth category, which is very impressive, especially at such a young age. She's also the current Commonwealth champion, the youth champion, which is a very big achievement. We'll be going off to our second Youth World Championships later in the year, which again is a huge achievement. That's the best in the world. So we hope to get a good result there and continue her path. The ultimate goal would be some Commonwealth Games and maybe even Olympics one day.
Wonderful, thank you so much. And so please tell us a little bit about repping Australia and your Tongan heritage. Before we continue on to, I see we've got some equipment here that perhaps we'll move on to in a moment. How does it feel to represent Australia?
I feel like the reason why I represented Australia was ultimately to just like bring up the Tongan culture in me, and because I don't see that much Tongan girls going to the type of level that no one would even imagine. So I thought, why not try and be the best, and me being Tongan, it can lift the entire nation together as a whole. So yeah, I love it. I love weightlifting. I love feeling like I'm doing something for my country, and so it's an amazing experience, especially when you're traveling around the world. It's really good.
I'm so proud. I'm going to invite Diamond over and Yannick to our equipment we've got here. We've got some weightlifting I can see. Can you explain just quickly before you go, what have you got here? I can't speak from experience.
So it's a barbell and plates, which is all you need for weightlifting. For those that don't know, I guess you might have seen it in the Olympics, but Diamond can demonstrate the two movements that they compete in, which is one being the snatch and then one being the clean and jerk. In weightlifting, you basically aim for your best total in the snatch and clean and jerk. The number combined is what your score is at the end of the competition. So this is a snatch. she can demonstrate a clean and jerk. So Diamond's current record in the snatch, so the first movement is 80 kilos, which is quite a lot above body weight, and her best clean and jerk is 105.
We've got Diamond Tonga Mai, and we've got her coach Yannick, who's Tongan at heart as well. Diamond, we are so proud of you, and as you continue on in the sporting field, we'll be cheering you on. Thank you, and I love that as she smiles, she's got a Nifogola shine. So even though she's wearing the Tongan, the Australian colours, Diamond, thank you.
Thank you for inviting us here. Thanks, guys.
DJ, kata kita mai ha'po'ifasi, and we'll move our equipment and we'll continue on. We've also got a couple, powerhouse couple up next. So DJ, ta mai ha'po'ifasi as we move into our next segment. Fitness Australia, and we've got the power couple Luciano and Selena Afeaki.
Champagne on ice, Cuban cigar with a spice. Soon in the train, boots in the rain, lean back, she tangle it. Man, stay on fleek, bang bang your cheek. One in the game, so I'ma get time, lean back, she tangle it. Stop. So
to Selena and Luciano. And then we've got our sports netball panel, which will have Monia, Unique, Stephanie and Becky. But I'd like to welcome up on stage, we've got Luciano and Selena. Mo paspasi mai, we've got Luciano and Selena Aveaki.
Thank you so much, Maria. Can we give a round of applause for this amazing MC? Not only she's beautiful, she's also available and single. Available and single, you better have a pocket and an education. Maria. Before I get this amazing powerhouse couple, has anybody seen Crunch Gym? Did you know that Crunch Gym, we have a Cook Islander and a Tongan who is the CEO running that business? So I won't continue talking too much, but I'll pass it to the main event. But there's more surprises to come. We have stars here, we have moonlight, we have sunlight and everything here tonight. So this one is that corporate limelight.
Malo Oscar. Malo leko kinga ko Luciano vai tamitau Afriaki. Me hapai. Ko tamai ko tuate me maufanga. Oi fae me long. Fa me go kaba. Yeah, thank you. I just want to say thank you to Oscar and Marianne for this opportunity to speak at this function. Beautiful function, especially for the next generation of athletes. Absolute pleasure. But we've been asked to share our story in the hope of inspiring the next generation. So, like a true Tongan gentleman, I'm going to let the lady go first. So I'm going to ask Selena to introduce our little business and then go from there.
Kia ora, any Cook Islanders? Hey! First of all, thank you for having us in your house tonight. I think it's amazing when you get the community together, especially for our next generation. So we're honored to speak to you all tonight. But I know that your food is more important than what we're going to say. Don't worry, no judgments at Crunch, so we won't make you do any push-ups and squats after unless you listen to me, okay? Agree? All right, agree. Crunch, we started in 2007. We have 17 Crunch clubs now. We serve about 65,000 members. So that's like 3-4 times more than the population where I come from. So when you compare that, it's pretty awesome that we get to serve that many people, about 500 staff. And we've invested about 50 million into these gyms, so it's a big ass business. But to be honest, as Pacific Islanders, you know, owning a business like this and being able to run a business, it's a really awesome platform for us to be Pacific Islanders and bring in our way. And so at Crunch, when you go in there, there's a mawhana about it. And, you know, it's something that we uphold. We bring our faith into our business. And we are really, really proud of what we get to do. And that's to, when you come from an upbringing where there's respect, when you come from an upbringing that you want to make a difference in the world, you know, you really create a mission for your business. And our mission is to help. And that word help is a very, very important word to us. People aspire to greatness. And that comes from a true belief that we are created by a God for greatness, uniquely created. And so we get to bring that to life in our business. So what we thought we'll do tonight is we'll ask each other some questions. I'll try and make him cry. He'll probably try and make me embarrassed. But we thought in sharing our stories that would be more interesting to you than our little lives. So is that okay? All right, thank you. Okay, here's your first one. when you were young and growing up in Petone, you guys were like poor. Nothing wrong with that. But one day you had to wear your sister's shoes to school, and they had little pink love hearts on them. And so to this day, you're obsessed with shoes. How many pairs of shoes do you have? Be honest.
Way too many.
He has more shoes than me and my 3 children, and it's a shocker. But what's the lesson that you bring into life from those humble beginnings to where you are today? And what are those lessons of where you've come from to where you are? What can you share with this crew here tonight?
Okay, I grew up in a little island called Namuka in Ha'apai. Ha'apai is home. Namuka is a very small, it's even smaller now after the volcanic eruption. So I didn't have any shoes in Tonga, but yes, I was 8 years old. I got to wear my sister's shoes that are shiny white with pink love hearts. The lesson from that, I'd have to say, is where you are now is not where you're going to end up. I think having a lot of shoes is important to me now. But I think the lesson that I learned from there was I could have a lot of shoes. I've just got to go and work hard for them. And knowing what I had gone through, it's kind of like wherever you are right now, it's not where you're going to end up. Life will be better. You just got to work hard. Thank you. I get to ask this one a question now. When you were young, you were a bit of a rebel. Your nickname was Psycho. Oh, sorry, kids. There was something that happened in high school that kind of changed your trajectory in life. Can you explain or share that story with us?
Yeah, I was a rebel without a cause. Sorry, Mum and Dad. But yes, money changed my trajectory. There were some scholarship students. I didn't care about school. And I was just doing my own thing. I like to sneak out at night, do all the wrong things. And then there were some scholarship students at our school, and they came and they were telling us about university and how there are scholarships that you can earn, and you get $355 every fortnight just paid into your bank account. And I went, that's what I want, that money. But I wasn't in line for any kind of scholarship. Nobody thought that I would be anybody of any threat to get that scholarship. 6 weeks, nothing changed but my mindset. And I wanted a way out of Rarotonga, Cook Islands, and I wanted that $355. And so for 6 weeks, I just locked myself in my room and I studied hard. And I just knew that this scholarship was for me. And I have always approached life that I got the scholarship, went to Massey University, and I met this guy. God, maybe God. Because I believe that God's always been there, nudging me, opening the doors like this. But it's whether or not you believe that you can do it. It's whether or not you take up the opportunity. And we're always gifted opportunity every day. Now, do you believe that it's for you? And are you willing to put in the work? So, as I mentioned earlier, girls, mindset matters. You can change your life by just changing your mind. And to change your mind and to follow that up with action comes from a knowing that that you are created for more. So, yes, I was a rebel. We're in a room with a lot of sports people here, and for you, sports is a big part of your family, and you learn a lot of lessons. You learn a lot of successes and failures in your sport. What do you take, or lessons have you taken from the field and applied it to the business world?
before I move on to that answer, I'll probably, my brothers are probably more well known than I am. I had a younger brother called Inoke Awhiaki, and he captained Igaletahi in the 2003 World Cup. And the youngest brother, Stanley, played for the Tonga Sevens team for a number of years. I went on and played rugby league for Wellington, and then actually played international rugby for Hong Kong because they thought I was Chinese. I didn't tell them until after the games, but probably playing a sport to the highest level, you can take a lot of lessons from that into the business world. At the end of the day, it's about high performance. I know there's a lot of superstar sports people here, including my cousin Eva, who played basketball for Australia. I know there's a few rugby league superstars in the room, and also I saw Moimoi Gerard earlier on with the netball. There is a lot of lessons in high performance sports that you can take into the business world. I think the biggest one for me is hard work. I would say there's a lot of ingredients in success, but if you don't have hard work, then the ingredients, success is a little bit harder. But also when you get success and you put in the hard work, I tell you what, celebrations are a little bit sweeter, and success does taste sweet. So. Okay, my turn. In Asia, in the fitness world, you work with some of the biggest celebrity names: Shaquille O'Neal, Magic Johnson, Andre Agassi, and then obviously supermodel Cindy Crawford. But there was one nutcase of a celebrity that you opened gyms with in Asia. Can you share the story with everyone here in your lessons?
My lessons? Yes. So part of my job in Asia, where we started in the fitness industry, was marketing. And so there was one celebrity that we had to build gyms around and bring out that celebrity's personality. And this personality was a really crazy man, and no one could say no to him except for me. And that man was Jackie Chan. And I tell you the story just really to reflect on Lucha's earlier comment about where you start does not determine where you end. In Cook Islands, my dad was one of the first ones to get a video player with a TV. And he took it off a papa'a, a palangi, that was building a house. My dad's a builder. And he said, "What's this?" And he said, "It's a video, and you have a video player." And so my dad said, because my dad is a scary man, he said, "I'm taking this. This is my payment." So he took it, and there was only 2 videos that came with that video player back then. And it was Where Eagles Dare, and then the other one was Jackie Chan's Drunken Master. And so my dad used to take our video player and TV around to the meeting houses around the island, and we would play that video for all of the kids and the families to watch Drunken Master. They loved it. Sometimes we had to play it 3 times in the night because there was only 1 video. And so we would do this over and over again. And then I was standing I think it was on the 21st floor of Jackie's office in Hong Kong. And we were busy designing his gym. "I want this." I said, "No." "I want this," and then, "No, too much." "I want this," "No." And then finally we come with this design, a Jackie Chan fitness center. And he looks over to me. I'm actually like 5 months pregnant. And he says, "Selena, you're so good at this. You need to do this by yourself." And in that moment, my whole life just flashed through my mind. This little girl from a village in Rarotonga, Vaima'anga, who used to take that Drunken Master video around all the villages and play that video, is now standing right next to this man, Jackie Chan, telling him no, no, no. And here he is telling me that actually I'm enough. And in that moment, what that meant to me has really driven me to everything that I do, and just always reminding myself, because don't you think, like we always don't think we're enough. You know, and sometimes that shy nature that we can be as Pacific Islanders holds us back from opportunity. And so I'm always having to remind myself, if Jackie saw it in me, why can't I see it in myself? And so that's what I try and encourage everyone around, especially these young women, and especially you young women here tonight. I know you don't have a Jackie Chan, but I want you and I think if you can look around this room and see all these people that have come out to support you ladies tonight, that we're all saying that you're enough, that you can dream big, and you must for the next generation. So yeah, that's my Jackie Chan story. Okay, last one, because I think we're probably done with time. You have two gorgeous daughters, but before we get on to them, you had a setback in life, a really tough time when our first son was born. And you were told that your son has cerebral palsy and that he won't walk and he won't run and he won't speak. As a dad, first son, from a big rugby family, you wanted your son to play rugby. How did that affect you, and what did that teach you about dreaming different?
I wasn't going to cry. Yeah, my son Saya has cerebral palsy. That affects his right side of his body. My dream for him was to be a professional rugby league player and to be better than what I was. But I think the lesson there is that as a parent with a son with cerebral palsy is that he has his own life, he has his own dreams. And I'm seeing that now because he's 20 years old and he wants to be an actor. I'm like, oh my goodness. But I read a book called You Will Dream New Dreams. And that taught me as a father how important my job was for my son, who I had all these dreams and aspirations for. He's got his own life, he's got his own dreams, and he's got his own greatness that he needs to achieve. So I didn't cry that much. Thank you. To the girls, I got two beautiful daughters, Katia and Eva, 18 and 14. I take my job seriously as a father, and that is to ensure that my daughters know their value. They are created for greatness, and my job is to make sure that they know they are loved and they are enough, and they can do anything that they want to. So that is my message. One last message from a lady to the girls. One last piece of advice, Selena.
One last piece of advice. My advice, especially to you young ones, is manage your energy. There's one thing that we all have the exact same resource of, and that's time. No millionaire, billionaire, or poor person has different resource and time. We all have the same amount of time. So when you manage your energy, you make sure that you're putting your energy towards what it is that you want to achieve. And it is so important to know who you are and what you are called for, and to know that you have a unique purpose, a plan and a purpose that you've been gifted from God. So be a soul sister, always show up, never give up, own your story, you write your story. Remember that you are uniquely created to be you. Don't try and be anyone else. Don't try and run anybody else's race. And always be the light and the laughter in your life. and know that you're never alone. You're always part of a sisterhood in the community. So go out, shine bright, and work hard, and be respectful, and know one thing, that there is a God that goes before you, beside you, and behind you, and you have a rich ancestry, and you are protected. So thank you, everyone. Be safe tonight. 100 push-ups before you leave.
Did I tell you, or did I tell you how amazing they are? Give another big hand round of applause. Make some noise. All right, we're gonna mix it up. DJ, can you play me a little something? I had to change my pants into a traditional one because I got excited and the pants went somewhere else. Anyway.
So we're going to move on to our first of the Tongan dress presentations, our under 12s. DJ, tamai hafoi whasi, kai teo mai e whānau, our coaches as well. We're going to change things up a bit, so we'll have the 12s Tongan dress presentations, and then we've also got a panel here. We've got Moonia, Unique Malawi, we've got Sepi and also Sepilangi, and also Betty Talanoa, who will be here for a panel. But DJ, tamai hafoi whasi, kai teo mai our under 12s.
One, two, three, 5.
Shout out, we have the Samoan, New South Wales Samoan table over there. Talofa, Amaoe. We love, thank you so much for coming. But also, I want to do a shout out to, did you know we also have a girl who played basketball for Australia, and she's Tongan? Eva Avelki, is that right, Eva? Yes, she's here, she's also here as well. Thank you for coming. So many talents, so many everything. But we have our one and only Diamond Girl. Not only she's from, where are you from again, darling?
Nuku Hifo.
Can I get a better Nuku Hifo? All right, let's not muck around. Let's get this party going.
So we're going to be announcing the girls' names. For Pasimai Palestini, New South Wales Netball Association, we've got the beautiful Leane Kami. Malo apito Malia, malo apito Oscar e Faifatongi alele. Kolpen ke hufanga ngai fratapon boto ape osat me muani. Kai atake ki finai vai ko ni ke tu at me muani ko e pole pehenga hinga we ko to ape ke langa tau ngai fana. Kai ke tata te fitu ke fana o fe fine he ko alhake i muri ni lahi ngai fanga marie lahi ngai open doors can out door ke tau lava o support na to ke na lava or go through these open doors. So te mau kamata e ahoni e he boni with the dress presentation a tahawa. So how we started, ladies and gentlemen, is that we sent out an EOI, which is an expression of interest, just to see what all the Tongan that are interested in New South Wales that will come forward to trial for New South Wales Tonga. We didn't really think anything of it,
but the interest did come through and we're really, really excited. We had a trial set out on the 8th and 9th of December, and from those trials we had a squad that was taken on board. Those squads then went into January and they had 2 training sessions, and those 2 training sessions were really, really tough because one of the Hopoates ran a training session. It was not easy. So, but from there we were able to see what girls were really driven to be in this team. So we're very, very excited to announce the girls. And out of those 150 girls that came forward to trial, we picked 78 of those girls from 12s, 14s, 15s, 17s and 23s to represent our little nation, Tonga, New South Wales. So give them a round of applause. We're very, very proud of what the girls have done. We are very, very proud of the families that have come forward to also support the committee and the associations and the families. We're so grateful for these families. They're amazing. But even more so, we're very grateful for the incredible coaches that we have on board. We have Monia Gerard and we have Sophia Talanoa, who are the 12s coaches. And I won't take any longer because my husband is already winking at me to hurry up. So let's just get to it. Lila, we're ready. Introducing under 12s team, New South Wales, Tonga Netball 12s, starting with Mafiela Coteo. Can we just hold off all the applause? We'll applause at the end of the team. So just move forward, Mafiela, over there, and then in that way we can do a nice big line. Yep. We have Amelia Fa'aui. Selamiki Faleafa. Move up a bit, girls. Nice one, straight line, Amelia. Move up. Leika Kaleti. Yes, you can call out to your little girls if you're, so go for it. Kayla J. Kavabalu. Jada Kave Makatoa. Olivia Gula. Elizabeth Mateo. Lesieri Moala. Leila Molly. Marina Rita. Luisa Taumoibeao, May Gembella. Little Canberra, yes, they are still New South Wales. Emilia Tovo. Emilia's mother, Getty, also manages the team, so thank you, Getty, so much. And Laura Fa'aui, who are also helping out the team. Julia Vahakolo Fifita is not here today. And then next we have Haven Vatuvei. And last but not least, we have Nightingale Weyer.
Yeah.
this committee. It's been a very short but a very hard journey. And in saying that, I will be introducing our under-14s tonight. I don't think our girls realise how fortunate they are because they already have a village at home. But being a part of this association, they've just gained another village. And I'm going to be introducing our very own Betty Talanoa, who was also part of our talent team. And she is our coach for the under-14s. So if I could please have Sioka Pesi Ahio, Talia Afu, Jasmine Alcaufolau, Elizabeth Fa'anganuku. Elizabeth is not with us this evening. Kyla Fo'ai Sakaria. Ariella Kulina. Isla Ray Mau Mau. Jennifer Naufahu. Kimberly Nigua. Alia Banuve. Lanaya Saf. Anna Damale. Josefina Tamuhapai. Amelia Taukolo. And Leolani Deuhema. Introducing our under-14.
Association, Pipiana is a representative coach. Last year, I think her team came second. Right? Yes, her team came second. So, well done. Calling our under-15s, New South Wales, Tonga, Lavinia Ale Latu. She's not here today? No. Sally's not here, but she'll get her dress soon. Mali Foai Sakaraya. Jessica Funaki. Mahalia Lemeki. Jada Penitani. Joanna Penitani. Yes, Queensland is New South Wales. Akosita Puloka. Liliani Spears. And we have Lacey Livapelli, Tanaki. Nice big round of applause, our 15s, everyone. And I'll be introducing the coach first. And if I can get Margaret Dornan out, please. Now this is our head coach for under 17. Margaret has been coaching for a very long time at Eastwood Ride. And this year she is a Metro coach this year for Eastwood Ride. And if I can call out Eva Amone. Murphy Rose Funaki. Geasi Diloy. Heina Giodel. Grace Lidisoni. Suliana Luke.
New Ila. Inu Samate. Larissa Sefanaya. Grace Tautua. Jazaria Tomotomo. Jazaria is not with us this evening. And Michaela Tuitavake. Leria Wewaka Vai. Ella Viliami. And last but not least, Salote Wolfgram. And that's our 17th, people.
Hello everybody, my name is Kat Tuwaiti. I just wanted to give a really quick shout out to you guys. I know you have your dress presentation. The New South Wales Tonga Netball Association is all over my social media. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. It's such an honour to represent your state, but it's such an even bigger honour to represent your people, your heritage, your family. So I'm so proud of you all. I know that there's a big collective of people behind you, pushing you so that you get to stand there and receive your dress. Mal, Rena, Alisi and Leela, I know you guys have pushed this with such passion and dedication, and my heart melts every time I see stuff that you guys are getting up to. So I'm so proud of each and every one of you. I'm so proud to be Tongan, and I can't wait to see you all. But I'll leave you with one piece of advice. The dress that you receive doesn't actually belong to you. You're just a gatekeeper of it. Just like the knowledge that you receive, just like all the skills that you learn, we must pass these things on. And everyone at the New South Wales Tonga Association is helping you build that. So you are on the right side of history. You're doing things that are just so iconic, and I'm proud of all of you guys. So can't wait to see you all soon. Good luck and congratulations, everyone. Off Latu.
Hi, I'm Alisi and I'll be introducing the 23s today. But first I just wanted to introduce our coaches for our 23s. You've already been introduced to Monia, Gerard, and our assistant coach is Seppi Langi. Yes, give them a round of applause. Paula. I just wanted to give you a brief rundown about these two. Seppi and Monia have both played for the Swifts. For anybody, I'm sure everybody here knows NRL, but Swifts is the equivalent of the NRL teams. So clap, because that's pretty good. So they've come through the, thanks VIP for clapping. So they've come through the pathways, and this is one of the things that we really wanted to show for our 23s and all the age groups, is ensuring all of our players understand and are aware of the pathways and where it can lead them. So we're so blessed to have Monia and Seppi here with us to help guide these girls. So thank you guys. I'll start with technical issues. We'll start with some technical issues. Yeah, so does anybody know a good joke? Why did the chicken cross the road? Because they wanted to get to the buffet. My 23s thought it was funny. Guys. Yes? Okay. So we'll start with our first 23s member, Talia Adler. She isn't here today. Her 23s are clapping for her. Our next player is Monica Armone. We have Lizo Hopwate next. We've got Anna Kailahi. Anna was also part of the Tonga Netball squad this year. Next we have Lexis Galetti. Next we have Esther Kami. Sosiana. Sarah Kami. Elizabeth Lomu Stewart. She's not here today. And we've got Jessalyn Mahanga. Emma Mateo. Emma was also part of our Dallas squad this year. Mary Mateo. Ma'u Naufahu. Priscilla Nemo. Silolo Richter. Silolo is part of our New South Wales State squad this year, which is a big deal in netball. Daina Sikahele. And our last member is Liliana Talanoa, but she isn't here today. Please, a round of applause for our 23s team.
Association. Don't forget there's more to come. And also, sorry, we have the Maori New South Wales, the Kiwi New South Wales. Where are you? Kia ora. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This short moment we're going to ask, Maria, come here. So what are you doing right now? Can we give a round of applause for Drea, the lady in red? All the way from top. Yahweh for the
So we're going to continue on to our panel. So we've got the beautiful Mo'onia Gerard, we've got Unique Balavi, Sepi Langi and Betty Talanoa. So as I invite them to come onto the stage and get set up, I just want to Io Paspasi Mai, our panel who are coming up. But I also want to plug out our sponsors. So it wouldn't have been possible tonight without Astute Financial Brokers, AZ Air Solutions, Elite Your Care, and also Blacktown City Council, who are not here tonight, but they've given us these beautiful facilities. There's also raffle tickets going on. You can see some of the prizes there. We've got some NRL jerseys. We've also got an AJE Athletica product pack, which is worth about $369. So thank you to our lovely mum from the Under-17s team for your contribution. Also, we've also got many raffle prizes there. Have a look. Please support the girls. For you to win, so that is going as well. Again, plugging out our sponsors, Astute Financial Brokers, AZ Air Solutions, Elite Your Care and Blacktown City Council. So we are just about to continue on to our panel, and these are our wonderful netballers. More Paspasi Mai, we've got Mo'onia Gerard, Unique Balavi, Sepi Langi, and we've also got Betty Talanoa, who will be making their way on stage. As the girls make their way on stage, I'll give you a little bit of background to do with the girls. We've got Mo'onia Gerard, who doesn't need an introduction, but we all know the beautiful Mopaspasi Mai Mo'onia, who's represented Australia, Tonga, Swifts, Thunderbirds, you name it. We've also got the beautiful Betty Talanoa, who represented us in Talas. Sepi Langi also played in the Swifts, played alongside the beautiful Mo'onia. We've also got Unique Balavi, who represented us with Tonga and Talas. Yes, clap your hands for our shooter. But also, so we've got our four beautiful girls, five. We've got five beautiful girls up here with us who will be joining us for our panel. So I might... We've also got the beautiful Luana Alcafola. Thank you for joining our panel. And this is really just get to know you, show you, share your journey with us, and more so inspiration for our girls as well as they continue on in their new Tongan dresses. So I might sit with them. So I will come on over and I will ask you some questions. So our questions for tonight, we'll just have a quick run through first. Please tell us, where are you from in Tonga?
My mother's from Harsini and my dad's from Halababe.
My mum is from Golowai, Nunukunuku. My dad is Aussie.
My mom's Samoan, she's from Vaiusu. My dad's coming from Tokimalolo. My dad is from Golowai. And my mum is from Pasi.
My dad's from Tonga Hawaii and my mom's from Vaini.
Beautiful, represent. Our first question for tonight is, What team did you support, netball team, did you support as a child and why? And perhaps, and/or, who's your netball hero?
I supported the Swifts because of Mon. Growing up, Moimoi was probably the only Tongan girl that we ever saw on TV, and for a Tongan girl to represent the Diamonds was a huge deal back in the day. I'm not showing your age, but it was just amazing just to watch her represent not only being Tongan, but just representing very loud and proud. But her and also Captain Latu were probably my two superstars growing up.
I think I'll replicate that same answer. The Swifts, mainly yes, Monia, but also Selena Gilsonen, who was another Islander who, Bruce Hooven, and it was fantastic. You guys playing, like it just flowed so nicely. Watching it on TV, it was just like I want to play like that. So it inspired me. I used to go for Melbourne Vixens because I'm from Melbourne, and then I slowly started to watch New Zealand netball, and I started going for Mystics because of Kat and Maria Tutaya. And then when Kat came to Australia, I started going for Adelaide Thunderbirds, so pretty much whatever team Kat played for.
I didn't watch netball. I watched rugby league and union, and my team was Manly Warringah.
Sound cliche, but I did go for the Swifts because I'm on here as well. Yeah.
Now, you ladies have represented us far and wide, and when did you know you had it in you to go pro? I mean, many of us girls who are sitting here who have just received their jersey, how will you know that this is a God-given talent and that you can actually represent God and your community and your family?
I actually didn't have that belief until I started playing for Tonga. I think a lot of the girls here would say the same. It's very hard to make it in the sport of netball. In Australia, it's tough. It is tough for girls like myself and the girls that we see down there as well. I actually didn't feel it until I put on the red dress. And it's simply because it held such a big space in my heart. Having who I represent, my background, my family on my chest through the crest, and then also through my last name on my back. And I think you don't really realise the impact you can have in the world, let alone in the world of sport, until you actually represent your family and your home. So that was the moment for me.
Thank you.
I actually grew up in Queanbeyan, which is a small town near Canberra, and like when I look at the girls now, it's just such a great opportunity for you to put on the red dress, for you to represent Tonga, New South Wales. We didn't have that back in the day. I was probably the only Tongan playing with a bunch of Barlangis, so it was really hard for me to express myself in the community. So sport was a platform for us to have an equal playing field, and I really implore you girls to really go hard on the court, to take this opportunity and to really use this as the next level, potentially playing for Tonga Tala or even the Diamonds as well. So take advantage of your opportunity.
I think ever since I was young, I was in the state program, but it was nothing like putting on the red dress. Like Beppy said, it's nothing like playing for Tonga and actually representing like my actual background and the people that support me. So I think, yeah, just when I put on that red dress, that's when I felt nice.
With Unique too, she and most of these players, they play with their heart, and I think that's with us as Tongans, that's how we play with passion. As much as some people might think that it's aggression, we say it's a lot of tough passion. So, and I think that's what
some people don't understand the way we play. We forget the rules at times, and it's there, but we just don't want to go for it. But I think overall, as much as netball's not a professional unless you get to the top, these girls here who only just starting their time in the netball realm, and you know, these girls are in the mix of it all. It's not professional, so these girls still have to train, work, family, and do everything in between for themselves. So to even get to a point where they want to get to, it's hard, as long as you get the support from home, because we can't just eat up a bulu every day. So we need to start, you know, mum, dads, uncles, aunties, sisters, brothers, all the neighbours, the whole village. Like, for women, we need that support. I know there's a lot from the boys, and I was lucky enough, I have a lot of boys in my family, so they're the ones that I was watching, and they're the ones that I was inspired to be. But obviously, me being a girl, I had to do it the girl way, but they showed me how to do it the tough way. So I was lucky enough that was around me. So I didn't really judge or doubt myself. I was really lucky with that. Whereas now I'm also, we've got so many girls that look similar around here, that they can inspire to or help or encourage the next one to go up. And that's what we're here, and that's what these girls are in the mix now, playing for the Tala team. I mean, I've done my time, now it's just like, okay, let's bring the next crew up, because it's quiet by yourself and it's lonely by yourself. But as long as we start making noise and support and encourage, not just us as athletes or players and whatnot, but like you guys here, mum, dads, uncles, brothers, sisters, especially the brothers, they're the ones that help us go over the line. And that's how I got my opportunity, that's where I got my opportunity, and that's where I'm at today.
I think one of the breakthroughs for me was probably the first tournament that we played, which was in March. Honestly, there was like 12 of us players who just met at the airport, and we just played the first tournament in Sydney, and we actually did so well. So it was really just the community and family and friends that really just made me want to keep pushing. And I always aspired to be a diamond once, but you know, we got the Talas coming through now, and that's all I want to be from now on, and hopefully I'll get more opportunities to be one too.
Sometimes Tongan girls or women have their own challenges, cultural challenges, and there are a lot of juggling, and it could be school, culture, perhaps church. What is an advice, and this is more based on perseverance, resilience and motivation, what advice can you give our girls in regards to persevering to fulfill their dreams, to one day be on Tonga Tala, or perhaps play for Australia?
Or wherever, New Zealand, England, who cares, Spain. I think I was lucky enough to grow up in my family, because my mum was rebellious, and so is my auntie. And I think that streak kind of runs through with some of the women in our team, or in our family. So they were always against the grain, so that always worked for me, to be against the grain, and it helped to get to be the only Polynesian to play for the Diamonds at the time. But lucky enough, I had 2 Rotuman girls out of a little dot in the whole world, 2 Rotumans. And we were lucky to have our little clique to help each other out. But in terms of advice as to how you sustain or try to get your position in the whole world of netball or sport, it's support, 100% support. If your parents aren't there for you, I'm sorry, you're going to do it hard way. If your mum and if your uncles and that are the ones that support you, maybe lean towards them a bit, because some of my brothers they weren't allowed to play rugby because it landed on Sunday. But lucky for someone who was rebellious like my mum, snatched them to play. So you kind of have to lean on those that you know that will help support and push you. I mean, that's from my point of view. I know it's different from everyone else, but whoever there is that you know that you kind of channel that same energy, roll with it, because there's the reason why that you guys connect.
Yeah, I think following off of that, support that will help you get through it, but also God. Like, you got to understand that He's already written out His plan for you, and you just have to trust what He's planned for you, and it's always His timing, not yours. So if you fall back or say like get injured or have setbacks like that, or have like your parents saying, oh, you can't play on Sundays because they're very heavily in church. You just have to trust it, and that it's His timing. It's always His timing, not yours. But yeah, just follow God's plan.
I'd probably say, like, look around you now. You know, you have your reason why you want to pursue whatever it is you want to pursue, whether that be sport, a career, education. Look around you, it's your family, it's your culture, it's who you are. If you really reach down as to your why you want to be successful, why you want to be proud. You know, you look around here, it's your family, first and foremost. Yeah? So really looking deep down, it's your why you want to pursue it, and like what Mon and Unique said, it's your family as well. So really reaching deep down.
I'll just add a little bit to that. Definitely reciprocating off what they've said. For me, being the oldest Tongan girl in my family, it was very hard. My brother got to do whatever he liked. He could go training, come back, go to sleep. His routine was set. For us as Tongan girls, it's very different. You know, for us, it's, you know, make sure the house is put together, make sure people are ready, our house is ready for people to come over. You know, go to training, come back, go pick up your siblings. You know, it's not to say that the boys don't ever have to do that, but I think as girls, women, Tongan women, we have a very different responsibility in our households that a lot of the girls on court that I felt didn't have as well. So when it came to going to training, you know, I had to do 6 million things before I went, but a lot of the Balangi girls would just come to training after having a nap. You know, it was just very different, and I just want the girls to know that listen to your parents. I promise you, even though it might be hard to listen to what they tell you, they're there for a reason. They're your earthly parents for a reason. God set them here for them to guide you. Faith is a huge part of it. Just remember why you do it. Exactly like what the girl said. If you have faith, if you trust your family, if the parents support the girls, I'm grateful that I have loving and supporting parents and siblings. The balance will be there, I promise you. The balance will definitely be there, but stay strong. It's not easy being a Tongan girl in this world, I promise you, but no one will know it besides ourselves. But it's how you hold yourself. So stay resilient, and I promise you that you can definitely be up here and doing a lot more.
Thank you. Just to wrap up our segment, can you give us just one short phrase? There's so many challenges, racism, politics, there's a lot of things that happens in netball. Just a quick phrase from each of you that keeps you going or makes sure, just gets you motivated. Short, sharp, it could be one word, it could be a few words. What can you leave us tonight?
All gas, no brakes.
Nice.
Ice or brakes.
Mine one was be true to yourself. If you don't know you don't know who you stand for. So, and being strong.
Be strong.
Be strong, because if your heart is strong, you know your grounding, you know your peoples, you know what you're supposed to do in life. And surround yourself with strong people.
My Lord.
I think mine would be far now. So your family will keep you true to yourself. I think we're honest. always honest at the best of times, but if you keep your family with you, that would be my advice to the girls. Family first.
Mine would be is to always remember that your only competition is you, and not to like look at the other girls and think like, oh, why can't I run like that? Why can't I jump like that? There's only one you, and there's you're unique, you're irreplaceable, and you're always going to remember that one thing.
One thing that we always say in the Tala is Si'i Bekaiha. It's a common Tongan saying, but it just means we are small but we are mighty. And I think that applies in every aspect of our lives, but it's definitely something that we carry quite strong in the Tala. It's something that we love.
Beautiful. Please give the girls a round of applause. Thank you for taking part in our panel. Enjoy the rest of your night. Again, plugging out our sponsors. Student Financial Brokers. We've also got Blacktown City Council as well as Elite Tesla Dreams.
All right. DJ, pump it up a little bit, pump it up a little bit. Give a little bit of stretch in the air, a little bit of wheel out in the market, a little bit of drink. Don't forget, we got the boys from the NRL. We don't want to keep, they got their bedtime sleep. They need their sleeping beauty because they need to play for family, they need to play for Parramatta. Oh yes. So we'll come up very, very shortly. A big shout out to my dad from Moimoi. Good to see you. What a good surprise. Alright, give a little stretch there.
Again, plugging out our sponsors. We've got Astute Financial Brokers, AZS Solutions, Elite Your Care, and Blacktown City Council. We've also got raffle tickets going, which we'll be drawing in a moment, but we have some MMT players who will be interviewed in just a moment.
All right, so as we get the Will to come up, I want to get Will Hopper out there as well to come and get a little interview to the boys of a little inspirational of what it takes to be a first grade, an international player, everything. And in the meantime, girls, can you get ready for your dance? So grab yourself a drink. I'm going to get the NRL boys, the two amazing boys giving up their time. We're allowed to see them. Not only they're young, beautiful, and also they're representing NMT. Oh, I got those. Ladies and gentlemen, clap your hands for Moimoi. The two boys will be singing.
We also have Will here who will join me to interview our two boys.
Good evening, everyone. As mentioned, we have Movement City here from the Parramatta Eels and Ahole Ologatu from the Manly Seagulls. If you didn't know, they're actually playing each other on Sunday at 4 o'clock. And so it's great to have them both with the mutual identity of being Tongan. And so I've been asked to ask the boys a few questions about their careers and about their upbringing. with rugby league, and so I'll start by asking both, similar to the girls, Will and Mole, whereabouts are you from in Tonga?
Mum's from Vava'u, Kalahau, and dad's from Nuku.
Dad's from Kalupolu and Whalera Hawaii, and mum's from Holonga, Vava'u.
I'll start with you, Mole. You've, over the past couple of years, made yourself a dominant presence on the footy field, and you've had the opportunity to play for Tonga the last couple of years. I want to ask you personally, what does it mean to you every time you pull on the red jersey?
As we would say, it means everything to us. Having your parents sacrifice a lot to come from overseas and try and provide a good life for us. For me and my siblings, it's been a very, tough upbringing, but very enjoyable. Can't complain about my childhood life. I had a very enjoyable childhood life. But at the same time, just putting on that jersey just means everything. Just the least I could do is, put it on and represent my last name and my villages, and do my parents proud.
Will, you are obviously a established first grader now. And for the girls who play perhaps on a week-to-week basis, what are some things that you do or principles that you apply that help you to prepare for a game each week?
Yeah, I guess it's my fourth year now going into first grade, and obviously at the start it gets hard to get used to playing week to week. Obviously your body's sore and you have to overcome that stuff, but I've learned over probably the last 2 years, I think just being process driven. I'm not worrying about the destination, but just focusing on my processes during the week. Obviously, what I eat and how I recover is going to play a big part. How I sleep is going to play a big part to how I play on the weekends. So just learn that the process is more important than the destination, I guess.
But back to you, Mole. Obviously, as New South Wales fans, we hope that you can don the blue jersey this upcoming season. What are some of your aspirations on or off the footy field?
What are my aspirations? Going back to what you said, hopefully, this year I do get a call up to wear that sky blue jersey, but my real aspirations is to be financially stable off the field, and just to be able to provide and just make sure my family and my son have a good life.
The previous interview, the final question was what drive, if there was one word that you would leave to the girls. We actually spoke about it at the table, and I just quickly nudged the boys and I said, what would your one word be? And Mola said, hoka. And so Mola, just finally I want to ask you, what drives you as a player?
What drives me as a player is just my son. I've got a beautiful son at home. Just be able to wake up and see his Moimoi face. It just makes me very, very grateful, and just motivates me to be able to get up and just, work hard and just do my best every day.
Just a few questions to finish with you, Will. In rugby league, they call it the rugby league roller coaster, where you face a lot of good times and you face a lot of adversity. And it's easy to enjoy life when things are going good, but I wanted to ask you, Will, what things do you do when you're facing adversity, like injuries or losses in the season?
Yeah, like you said, rugby league's a bit of a roller coaster. It's a bit up and down. You can go good one year and then not make the finals next year, but I think the ladies mentioned it before. Massive for me is just support. I'm grateful to have a beautiful family. Got 2 brothers and my mum and dad are here as well. They've provided me with a beautiful life where I can focus on footy, and that was my dream. And I let them know early when I was younger that I always wanted to play NRL, and they made sure that I made that goal. And all I can do is give back to them is by playing good footy as well. But like you said, it's up and down, but as long as I have my parents and my family around me, life's not too hard.
Final question for you. Well, in Tonga camp, the boys had nicknames, and within the squad, Will's nickname was Will Misini Bensini. You definitely are a machine when you're playing on the field well. And final question I wanted to ask you was, what was the difference between players that you're coming through as a junior that didn't make it, and for players like yourself that did make it? What do you feel was the difference?
Yeah, that's a good question. I guess when I was younger, there was a lot of talented boys. There was, boys that had way more talent than me, but if I had advice for how I made it, I think just nudge out the distractions. As a kid, you can fall into a trap of this world, I guess, distractions of other kids and, them going out and all that. And I just knew from a young age that I just wanted to play footy. There was no plan B, and that was my plan A, and I'll do everything I can to, obviously play that. So, I just trained hard, and I guess being a good person as well, trying to be a good person is gets you a long way. So, I think it's pretty cliche. People say just work hard, but I think there's no secret to success. It's just hard work.
Will and Molly, we thank you for your time. All the best on Sunday. May the best team win. Everyone, give a round of applause for Will and Molly.
Thank you so much, boys. But can we give a round of applause for this leadership of a man, Will Barker? Thank you for leading the way as well. Thank you so much. Good luck on Sunday. We'll be cheering on. So we're going to get the raffle happening right now. Have we got the raffle? Is the raffle ready? Because everybody want to dance, stretch. DJ, give me a little bit of something. All right, DJ, keep going. Pump it up.
Sponsors, we have a student financial brokers, Assosciation, we have a legal care, and also Blackstown City Council. Again, thank you for the families who have purchased some raffle tickets. We've got some prizes which have been donated generously from our NRL connections, our families, our mothers. Thank you so much for supporting the girls. It's been a wonderful evening this evening, and it's a milestone for the New South Wales Tonga Association, Netball Association. So thank you so much for coming tonight and tuning in. If you're here, I'll be the young from a Morocco evening, but it will be the ball with our Puma, your final netball. Alright, we've got our raffle prizes coming up. So make sure you get your raffle tickets ready, and we'll be calling you out soon. After the raffle, the girls will be doing a couple of
Last one. Come here and draw the prize. Last one before you go. All right. Make the most of it. Before we get the final dance happening, we're going to draw the raffle. Please get your raffle tickets ready.
So this is a draw for a Parramatta Eels signed NRL jersey.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Parramatta jersey.
Drop. 88.
We'll write your name down. Here we go. That's prize number 1. All right.
All right, thanks, Job. Congratulations. Prize number 2, South Sydney Rabbitohs signed NRL jersey. Prize number 2.
20A, Pacifica Funerals.
Pacifica Funerals. You've scored yourself South Sydney Rabbitohs signed NRL jersey. Congratulations. Our third prize is a Manly Sea Eagles signed NRL jersey.
34A, Missa.
And that was the Manly Sea Eagles. The next one is a Sydney Roosters signed NRL jersey. Sydney Roosters.
Denny, 69B.
Our next prize is going for the Gold Coast Titans signed NRL jersey. Any Titans fans in here?
I got Pacifica Funerals again.
He's a lucky night for Pacifica Funerals. The next one is Redcliffe Dolphins signed NRL jersey. Any Dolphin fans in here? Right.
Darcel, 88.
Congratulations, Marcel. The next prize is AJE Athletica Sports Package, valued at $369. Oh, thank you to our donations from our under 17s mother.
56A, Elaine.
You are amazing. She said, redraw, redraw. Everybody happy with that?
Thank you so much for donating. We're going to redraw that. Thank you again for donating.
And just to all the business owners here, please sponsor the girls too. Thank you very much.
This is going for the AJE Athletica Sports Package, valued at $369. The silence.
67B, Denny Delham.
Alright, Danny, congratulations. Second last prize is an Anthony Mundine boxing gloves signed. Any boxers in here?
How do you say that?
Is it Genevieve Latu? Paula Moimoi's wife. Congratulations.
Vision Tonga. Paula Moimoi. And the Queen has won the prize.
Wonderful. And our last prize for this evening, a signed Swifts shirt, goes to
Anna Donna Moore.
Thank you so much, Will. Good luck.
Congratulations, Anna. Thank you everyone for buying raffle tickets. We're going to continue on to the...
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me present you New South Wales Tonga and the Tau Olunga. Mari Mari. Wait. Spread yourself around. Look at your parents. your aunties and your uncle. Look at the sponsorship VIP on the side.
Girls, move out towards your families. So girls, move out, move within, spread yourselves out.
You can spread around to the
maybe
other side
the
as well.
VIPs and the guests. Move out, girls, move right out to the corner over there.
Girls, find a spot. We want you everywhere so everyone can see you, not bunched up. Move to where you were sitting, move all the way to the back. Everywhere, please. Everyone move. Some on the dance floor. Move along, spread all out. We want everyone to see you guys. 17s, move. Some of you move around. Even at the back, please. We want you guys all around.
The girls are looking beautiful tonight.
I think we're ready. Is everybody ready? DJ.
Time Where are my queens at? Make some noise. Where are all my queens at? Make some noise.
Okay, thank you so much, families and friends. If you can make yourself out this side, that'll be amazing. They're going to start cleaning up now. We really appreciate you all. And can we give one more round of applause for the amazing band and the amazing night? This is our first Tonga and DJ.